Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we will complete our exercise 1.4 inshallah, as we are going to solve last question of this exercise, question number 6. Question number 6 is very important, repeated in board many times. If f of x is equal to square root 2x plus 5 minus square root x plus 7 divided by x minus 2, whereas x is not equal to 2, while k x is equal to 2. Find value of k so that function is continuous at x is equal to 2. This is given. Function is continuous at x is equal to 2. What does it mean? It means that left hand limit and right hand limit on this given function is continuous, is equal to each other. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit at x is equal to 2. So when left hand limit and right hand limit and at x is equal to 2, it means function is continuous at x is equal to 2. Dear students, we have to find value of k where function is continuous at x is equal to 2. So that's why in solution we can write is as limit x tends to 2, whereas 2x plus 5 square root minus square root x plus 7 or x minus 2. We are going to calculate value of k, so we can use different techniques. Out of those techniques, one is here multiplying and dividing by square root 2x plus 5 plus square root x plus 7. Limit x tends to 2, so you have now multiplied and divided by this term to the given function. Limit x tends to 2, 2x plus 5, when 2x plus 5 square root multiply with this term, 2x plus 5 square root multiply by 2x plus 5 square root, you can write it as in square formation with square root. Okay, while plus minus x plus 7 square root x plus 7 multiplied by square root x plus 7, so you can write it in square form, while square is out from the bracket as a whole. While in denominator in function there is x minus 2, while in multiplication term there is in denominator square root 2x plus 5 plus x plus 7. So write it in denominator in multiplication form as I have written here. Okay, I am repeating again. Limit x tends to 2. This given function is multiplied by square root 2x plus 5 plus square root x plus 7 with numerator term in multiplication and division, right? So after that simple multiplication, numerator term multiply with this numerator term and can be written as, while denominator term multiplied by this denominator, x minus 2 into square root 2x plus 5 plus square root x plus 7. While this square root is cancelled out with this square, same is here, this square root is cancelled out with this square, and remaining term is 2x plus 5 minus x plus 7. While in denominator x minus 2 as it is, whereas 2x plus 5 plus x plus 7 written as it is before applying limit. Limit x tends to 2. Now open the brackets in numerator. When you have opened the bracket, 2x plus 5 multiplied, there is no multiplication, there is a minus sign, minus x plus 7 divided by this term. So in numerator 2x plus 5 minus x minus 7, so numerator becomes as 2x minus x, 2x minus x plus 5 minus 7. So in numerator 2x minus x, remaining only x, plus 5 minus 7 minus 2. So in numerator I have written directly x minus 2. Okay, 2x plus 5 minus x plus 7, and the term left behind is x minus 2, while in denominator x minus 2 is already exist here with the remaining term 2x plus 5 square root plus square root x plus 7. X minus 2 in numerator and x minus 2 in denominator cancel out, while left behind in denominator In numerator is 1, while in denominator square root 2x plus 5 plus square root x plus 7. Now apply limits. X tends to 2. In place of x, write here 2. 2 to the 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Plus as it is, in place of x 2. 2 plus 7, 9. So 1 over square root 9 plus square root 9. So left behind 1 over 3 plus 3. So final your answer is 1 over x. So at last, in conclusion, you can write it as f of x is continuous. So limit x, limiting value x tends to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2, while f where x value is 2 is given in question. When x is equal to 2, your function is k. Okay, so that's why in place of f of 2, you can write k. Limit x tends to 2, f of x, this is limiting function, limiting value, while f of 2 is k, so your required value of k is 1 over 6. As this is the requirement of the question, find value of k so that function is continuous at x is equal to 2. Our exercise 1.4 is completed now. Now dear students, it's your homework. Question number 1 to question number 6. Do written practice and prepare test of exercise 1.4 complete. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.